can make a bootable USB of Catalina. And to start making bootable of Catalina, you need to download the Catalina OS. So what you need to do, go open the Google Chrome or whatever browser you are using right now. Open the Safari browser or Google Chrome and search for Mac OS Catalina installer download. Make sure you type installer, no, otherwise it's not going to show up anything. So now you need to click how to create a bootable installer on Mac OS. You can follow the guideline down there to make bootable USB, but definitely I'm going to tell you that how you can do that. So now it depends whichever OS you want to download. So as I want to download the Mac OS Catalina, I'll click on it. It will take me to the Mac App Store. Here it's going to ask me to get the Catalina OS. I will click on it and it will start downloading the Catalina OS. So I will click download one more time as it's already started. So just wait for to get it download complete. To get the download complete, I'll be back then. So what I need to do at this point, I need to click on go and need to go to the applications. So here you will see the icon named install Mac OS Catalina. Right click on it, click on show package contents. Once you go over there, click open your content folder, and then you need to go towards resources. You will see this create install media file in there. So after that, what you need to do is click on go utilities, and you need to go to open the terminal. Click on terminal. Once you open the terminal, at this point you can I think I turned the other file off. Let me open it one more time. So you need to go over here and install media, show package content, resources. Just keep it hold over here and go to your terminal. Here you need to type for sudo space, drag this file of create installed media, bring it here and leave your touchpad. So as you can see, now here you need to type dash volume space. Now what you need to do is attach your USB in your MacBook. You can minimize this at this point. As you can see, my USB is coming with the name of ESD-ISO. Drag this USB, bring it here and drop it here. So now you need to hit enter. It's going to ask you for the password. Enter your MacBook login password over here, hit enter. If you wish to continue, type Y, then press return, type Y and hit enter or return in MacBook. So it's initially it's gonna erase the flash drive, and then it's gonna start copying your files into your bootable USB or USB, which is gonna make it bootable. And yeah, as you can see that the copying to disk is already started with 0%. Once it will be 100%, it will say all done, and that will be all for making bootable USB for Catalina OS. So that's it for making a bootable USB of Catalina, but you must need to watch the another video which I'm gonna post soon to how you're gonna install this Catalina OS using your bootable USB you just made. And The bootable is has been completed now, 100%. So now all you need to do is you need to reboot your computer and hold your option button. So you will see this USB. If you see that USB, you can click on the USB to install the iOS. So that is it for the day. And once again, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good one. Bye.